The D is a hard sound. And again, now you turn the hands a little bit to the outside and connect it with your heart. You send your hand a little bit out, as if you would like to touch something. And when you feel it touches, you can push against it and then it feels stable. That's D. So what we did with the B was we touch ourselves, and with the D we touch something other. So from the heart, go out. D. And it's a fantasy game in your body. How do I have to work with my tissue system that this impression of there comes some stability around comes about? From the heart. D. And it doesn't need to be so close. You can have the feeling you touch the wall. Yeah? You go. D. But it's easier if you do not imagine the physical wall, but a sort of, it can be a little bit in front of the wall that you touch something, because then you have the chance to create it yourself, and that's much easier to touch something which you created yourself. And then you touch something, again, let this feeling of security come about, which makes you grow. Use 2 arms. Do it your way, in all directions. And again. And then what we have been doing with the hands, let's do it with the feet. That you just stand, maybe you have space for 3-4 steps forward, and then you just lift your foot and you place it. And you have this feeling, I touch it. I'm not melting into it, but something comes and we meet. And you can accompany it if you want with the arm gesture, because the feet are just a copy of what the arms do. They lift a little bit, they move through something, and then I feel it, stability. And again, the feet, and they come forward, and then again, and each step goes a little bit deeper perhaps. I go backwards that you see better. Now I'm deep, and the next one maybe, it's just like, just millimeters deeper, just feeling-wise. I sink into something, but I find stability. And the last one. And remember, the arms only show what's taking place inside. And breathe. And you now just finish that the whole sequence O-E-M, L-I-B-D wants to reach at the day. That's what we want to reach at. And what is it? So remember, it's the sun sound, the heart sound, which opens up. And then your sun sinks into the bee body which we have built. I am there. I arrive in myself. I embody into my light body. But then don't forget, I'm in there, but the I is an I. And that means, and I am looking out of there. And let's this try that with every cell we look out of our body once we are in there. The heart is the center of this movement. And the heart is enormous big. I am there. Duh. And now become an I. And I look out of there. Just practice. I. Little step last time. I am there. I look out of there. Relax, breathe, sit down. What does this sequence do to you? Today, what does it do another day? What does it mean today to you? And let's see what it might mean to me, to you. Sometime later. Take a little bit of time to feel your body. And then just let go, relax.